and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at GPT-5, ChatGPT's latest model that has taken the world by a storm. Now, GPT-5 has access even in the free version, and if you have premium, you get access to more features within GPT-5. So let's get started. To get started, simply click on sign up for free to sign up to ChatGPT or OpenAI, and then you're just going to enter your email address to proceed, or go with Google, Microsoft, or Apple. I'm going to proceed with my Google account for a quick and easy sign up. Now, once you do that, this is what GPT-5 looks like. On your top left, you will find two different models of GPT-5 if you have the Plus version of ChatGPT. If you're using ChatGPT for free, you have access to limited features on GPT-5, and you don't have two different models because currently GPT-5 has their flagship model as well as GPT-5 Thinking, which is going to be more thorough and more detailed. They even have GPT-5 Pro, which is only available on the most premium version of ChatGPT, which gives you research-grade intelligence. Now, GPT-5, the flagship model, can still allow you to access a lot of information. It's more diverse, and it is something that is truly creative. So if I ask it to build a simple game for me, so build a simple tic-tac-toe game for me. Now, I have done this query in the past as well, and the game that it has built for me in the past has been a very simple game. However, with the new enhancements of GPT-5, it is able to take an approach to your question, and it's able to give you a more detailed answer that is going to include all elements that are necessary for me to build this game. It can add things like scoreboards, and can add color schemes, it can add number of players, the timings, the number of games, the track record or the scores, and it does all of that intuitively. So I can click on run code over here on the top right, and just like so, it is going to run my code and it's going to create my game. You guys can see X's, O's, draws, then I can click on reset score, then I can click on new game, and then I can just proceed, and you can see it has even numbered the boxes that have been created. So just like so, we can hit new game to play our game again. Now, this is just one function on GPT-5. GPT-5 is really detailed, and I'll show you guys the difference between GPT-5 and GPT-4 simply by taking a look at one of our older queries. Now, I asked it to build 3 slides on fashion on the older version of ChatGPT, and these were the 3 slides that it built for me. It is pretty decent, but if we go into new chat over here and we paste in our query, build 3 slides on fashion, then I'm going to check the GPT-5 thinking model on the top right, and you guys can see you even have agent mode. I'm not going to be using agent mode for this, and then I'm just going to proceed over here. Now, just like so, it is planning our slides for fashion, and it's going to do a full research. It's going to find accurate information to build our slides for us. So just like so, it has drafted a preview of what my slides would be about, slide 1, slide 2, and slide 3. And then after that, do you want me to export it into PowerPoint or Google Slides with a simple theme? Simple theme, Google Slides, just like so. And now it is going to create these slides and actually export these themes and these particular slides onto PowerPoint or onto Google Slides as well. So right now it is analyzing and it is creating our slides for us. And this is what is so amazing about GPT-5, is that it is able to intuitively get you some really amazing answers. So you can just click on download the PowerPoint, and you will have a PowerPoint on your top right that you can just download, which is going to be a far cleaner and a more beautiful way for building slides, because it is something that is going to be provided to you that is pre-made, and you don't have to do all of the hassle of building everything from scratch. Now, with GPT-5, you can do so much more, especially with their GPT-5 thinking model. This is the fastest, most useful model yet. So if I want to find some or brainstorm some research ideas, I can ask GPT-5 thinking to find things that are under researched within a certain category. So we're going to proceed with a simple question. Find some topics I could do my post-grad research on in IO Psych. And just like so, I'm going to ask it for some ideas for some topics within a certain field, and it's going to find some research topics for me and list those research topics. Now, this model specifically is really nice for these types of queries because it is a more detailed model that is going to help help me in getting more detailed answer. People and selection, motivation, remote and hybrid teams. So these are some of the general areas that I can do my research in. Now, with GPT-5, if you further proceed and click on the plus icon and you utilize agent mode or deep research, then you're able to do so much more with GPT-5, because with the help of these newer models and these specific themes and specific tools within GPT, you're able to find something that is useful for someone. So if I want to study and learn, let's say I want to study IO Psych, and then I'm just going to proceed, it's actually going to ask me a couple of questions. Sometimes it is going to ask you for how much you already know, so it can gather and assess what you already know within a specific field so that it is able to actually teach you further. Now you guys can see it has taken into account that I've told it that I'm looking to do post-grad research. So when it's teaching me and when it's in study mode, it is going to be changing with that particular goal. So each with a clear question, just like so. And this is how it is going to proceed with study mode. Now, if I want to go into deep research, I can proceed with that or even build images for my presentations. Now, ChatGPT also has their flagship model, which is available to everyone. So if you're using GPT-5 completely for free, you can click on GPT-5 here and you will be able to use the free version. Let's say I'm going to ask it to write a simple report on fashion trends of 2025. And just like so, it's going to get started and it's going to scour the web. You can add your own resources as well, but you guys can see here's a visual snapshot that it has provided, which GPT-4 did not provide you. Then it has given me some spotlight on 2025 fashion trends in summary, and then related news as well, which can help me in understanding the topics that I'm looking at. So GPT-5 is something that is super useful, and it definitely has all the other AI models beat because it has thinking built in. It is able to do reasoning as well as answer complex questions. You can even ensure that you're using the right model with the help of agent mode, deep research, creating images, think longer, as well as study and learn, web search, and Canvas. Now, when it comes to GPT-5, if you want more access, then you can upgrade to ChatGPT Plus for only $20 every month, or you can upgrade to Pro for $200 a month with extended limits and so much more. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with GPT-5. And if you are using GPT-5, make sure to comment down below which one of the features of GPT-5 have you been enjoying the most, and how has it been differing for you when it comes to just general use case within GPT-4 and GPT-5. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.